Rastafari soldier. Yeah, the Crocus bag farmer. I'm here on spot. Yeah, ancient yard, ancient yard. So make sure you subscribe, like and share. See? Yeah. You gotta do some work over across the road, so I just come over here so I go and chef up that thing. Cause me and some food I want to cook, you know. My cousin away on there still, so I'm going to fire up that thing till he come. Some organic cooking still. Right now, family, a 2-pot me I put on the fire one time, you know. Me not tell you no lie. 2-pot me I put on one time. See there? Me not put nothing in there yet. But me I deal with this thing, them I want to get them in there. And right now the fire is blazing. Burning. Yeah, so me I cook some ackee and saltfish. And some flour and some banana and some yam and thing. And I don't look a chef in, man. Me I cook big, man. Yeah. So give me a second. Remember I say real general, the Crocus bag farmer. Rastafari soldier. Yeah, I'm here. I'm gonna walk down here and get this stuff. Then come back real quick. Put it in a pot. Tired of my work. Alright. Drop it out, man. Ups it out. Ups it out. Yo. Yeah, then drop it from us. Yeah. You know what I do. Work it, sir. Work it. Look up this saltfish now. So, I start off with the saltfish now. See? Pour it out. Alright. You know now this. Now start it. That's what happens to me. Right, that's the thing. I need some flour. First thing out. Put in the flour. Drop it in here. I'm going to eat back this thing. Yam, one planting. Yeah. Like now dropping a big pot, but I really want knead in the flour first still. Yeah, so let me do that. I rinse out a pot here. Knead in flour. And then that'll go work. See? So just set up. Where? No, that can burn out, man. I just soft things did this. This can burn out. I'm not going this. This can burn out and things. Real team, you know. Work where I work. You can see signs of hard labor. Yeah, all them things that we chop it down, you know. Clean where I clean it up. Right. The food done already, my lad. And my cousin Wayne come cook up here for me. Yeah. So sometimes I forget. everything on it, all I put it. But that's how it goes. Work is work and jerk is jerk. So don't be afraid. Yeah. We try your thing and that's how it end up. Yeah. Now you see the man them did real long with your blows and skirt. Yeah man. Ancient kitchen where I work, you see? Yeah, right, that's how we cook. Yeah. Yeah, I can't say fish still. You know. I don't know about that fish in it. But that's how we do it. Yeah. So we do it organics. Yeah. 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 Country life. Yeah, a glorious sight. Yeah, beautiful it is. Tried my best to be my brother's keeper. That is my brother's property. Clean it up this morning for him, you know. Looking like an estate. Yes. Yeah. That, you know, we're looking to grow on, set up a farm for the corporation. Yeah. This is my brother's property. The trees, lumbers, ackee tree on the property, people. Just a beautiful, beautiful estate here in Cornwall, District Cornwall, PO, in St. Elizabeth. It's just a marvelous sight, you see. So we are making sure that the estate is maintained